Tips. Our next guest is multi-talented. Mike Callahan is an accomplished country music singer, and he's also an actor. You can actually catch him in a play next weekend. Mike, thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.
Now, tell us about this play. It's called One Kiss Cafe, and you have the lead role in it.
I do. You know, it's really a story about a songwriter just getting started in Nashville. It's a country music love story. Comes to town, falls in love. It's a great show. There's going to be a lot of singing, a lot of dancing. It's going to be hilarious. I think it's going to be a good time, definitely, if you come to go see it. It's going to be on the 12th through the 28th at 8 o'clock at night. And then you can also go on the web to One Kiss Cafe Musical to do a little research on it. But it's going to be something that you really don't want to miss.
Yeah. Now, so you're an actor and a singer. So this role was probably pretty easy for you to fit in, since it's kind of reflective of what you're actually doing in real life.
Definitely. I was reading the script, and I could identify with almost everything in it. And it was really wild that I landed this role, and definitely a blessing in disguise, and it just definitely fits right in pocket with what I'm doing here in Nashville.
Yeah. And now the title of the play is One Kiss Cafe.
One Kiss Cafe.
What's significant about that?
It's actually a love story, and Ricky Stakonis is the character that I play. Falls in love with Sarah, and she actually works at a singer-songwriter bar there in Nashville. So that's one of the main significance of that one.
Yeah. And so it's next weekend, and you said it's a couple different weekends we can catch you.
Yeah, you know, it's pretty much going to be every weekend from the 12th through the 28th, and it's at the Country Music Hall of Fame, so we're really proud to be there, and I think it's definitely going to be a great show.
Yeah. And aside from your acting, you're also a singer in real life, not just in the play. So tell us a little bit about your music. How would you describe it?
I'd say it's more traditional country, old school, a lot of Merle Haggard, Waylon influences on my style, and it's a constant I'm constantly trying to learn the craft, and this is the place to be. I moved from Houston, Texas, and came here, and it's just been a really great experience. It's a dream come true so far.
Yeah. And do you play around town sometimes?
I do.
As in the play?
I do exactly. What you see at the play is basically what I do already.
He just played himself.
Exactly.
Very cool. Well, we can't wait to hear you. Today you're going to play a song for us.
Sure, yeah.
And tell us a little bit about the song.
This song is written by Parrish Stanton, and he actually wrote the One Kiss Cafe. It's called Bayou Side, and it's a song, one of the first songs in the play where Ricky is playing it to Tootsie, which is the owner proprietor of this bar. So he's playing it for her to impress her, to say, hey, you know, I have so much talent. You definitely want me to play here. Watch, I can sing this song. So it's a great song.
But it's a love song, I guess.
You know, this song is showcasing his talent for Tootsie, and
Gotcha.
Sarah is watching him, and she's going, wow, this guy is pretty good. I sort of like this guy. He's not bad.
Well, let's check it out. Take us away.
Working like a dog, drilling all along this offshore rim. Eggs taste like the sausage, like the coffee, like the grits. Orange fluorescent lights buzz all day and block the night. Loading heavy metal, where's my body at and knows my mind. Just one thing can get me feeling right. That's dreaming about being by your side. Where God's breath whispers through